Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Canadian IMP. Now this one is a lasagna menu from 2017. Sounds like a really good menu. Can't wait to try it. And I actually got this one from Steve over at Traversing Foods, so make sure you check him out. And it looks like Steve actually got it from foreignmre.com. And if you guys are looking for rations, pay them a visit. They have a wide selection of rations from all over the world, so make sure to check them out. Links will be in the description box. But yeah, let's have a close look at it and yeah, open it up. All right, let's have a close look at it. And as you can see, it comes in this paper bag, which is lined with foil, as you can see. On the back, we have the scanner thing. I'm not sure what that is. I believe it takes you to some type of Facebook page. There's the bottom, nothing on the sides. On the front, we have the Canadian leaf. We have the menu, which is lasagna, and it's also in French. We have the year, which is 2017. And this is a military ration, not for resale. All right. And we have a sticker with the foreignmre.com logo, and that's pretty much it. So let's open it up. All right, let's open it up. We'll just cut right into it. Just like that, we're in. We'll just pull some things out. All right, and the first thing we have is a compressed napkin. I have not seen one of these in a ration, so it's pretty cool. We have Canadian peanut butter, not bad. We have some Tic Tacs. All right, and we have a Kit Kat bar, and I love these. And there you go, have a break, have a Kit Kat. Very, very nice. And we have a hamburger bun. Not bad. We have some Frank's Red Hot. And we have the dreaded Canadian beef jerky, and I am not a fan of this. You'll see why in a few moments. All right, we have the lasagna, and if you guys want to read the ingredients, there you go. And the nutrition facts. And this one was obviously made by Baxter's. And we have a Nescafe 3-in-1, which is sugar, coffee, and creamer. Original, not bad. We have the Canadian beverage bag, which is pretty awesome. And we have a grape sports drink. And we have another grape sports drink. All right, we have some raspberry jam. Should go great with that bread. We have the Canadian napkin, which is just a large napkin. Canadian matches. Pink tips. And for dessert, we have a fruit cocktail. Not bad. And we have the new and improved Canadian spork, and this thing is awesome. It's like an MRE spoon, but longer, and it's a spork. Yeah. And that's it. All right, guys, there you have all the contents, and this ration's looking really good. The Kit Kat bar is one of my favorite chocolate bars. Can't wait to try that as well. And one thing I really don't like about Canadian IMPs is the beef jerky. It's just not the greatest. I'm not used to it. I've gotten some tips on how to eat that, so we'll try that out. But I'm still not a big fan, so I'm not expecting much from that. Yeah, everything looks great. We have some bread to make some raspberry jam and peanut butter. But yeah, we'll get the lasagna heated. We'll throw it in some boiling water, and yeah, let's begin. All right, let's get some drinks started. We're gonna prepare the grape sports drink and our coffee. So let's do that. We'll take our bag. So the bag just makes it easier to mix. Yeah, smells like grape. Get some water. It's up to the fill line. Close it up and give it a shake. And there you have it. Got a nice violet purple drink. And we'll get it in our cup. Makes it a lot easier to drink. And our grape drink is ready. All right, let's try it out. All right. Yeah, that is exactly what you would expect. Tastes exactly like grape Kool-Aid. It's got that tartness, that sweetness, and yeah, it's not bad. It's, you know, it is what it is. I really enjoyed it. All right, let's prepare the coffee. And you can see the coffee, the creamer, and sugar. All right, let's give it a stir. All right, let's get a taste. And there you can see a little bit of froth. Yeah, it's extremely hot. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, that is a really good cup of coffee. It's just nice and simple. It's got the right amount of sugar and creamer. But yeah, you really can't go wrong with, you know, a nice cup of Nescafe coffee. All right, we have a hamburger bun. Let's check it out. We have an oxygen absorber and the bread or a bun. Check that out. Very nice. All right, I guess we can try it by itself. Yeah, that tastes just like Wonder Bread. It's very yeasty, and yeah, it's actually bread. It's not processed. Let's try a little bit of this. Oh. Lost it. Yeah, that is really good. Okay, let's check out the raspberry jam. Not sure if I've ever had raspberry jam. Try it now. We'll save this half for the lasagna. And we'll try it by itself. And there is our raspberry jam. Looks very dark. All right, here we go. Yeah, that is a really good jam. I've never had raspberry jam, so this is my first time, and yeah, it's really good. It's nice and sweet and tasty. All right, let's check out the peanut butter. Let's get it on our bread. And we'll try it on its own. There you have the peanut butter. All right, here we go. Yeah, nice and smooth and creamy. This peanut butter is a little bit on the savory side, but yeah, not bad. All right, let's try some PB&J. All right, let's give it a try. Just wash it down. Yeah, you really can't go wrong with that. That is amazing. Well, I guess it's time to try the beef jerky, and maybe we should do what the packaging says and do not eat. All right, let's open it. All right, let's check it out. And this beef jerky actually doesn't look that bad. But yeah, let's give it a try. I'm actually a little bit surprised. This beef jerky is actually pretty good. So I'm starting to think that the others I've had were actually in really bad shape or might have been exposed. Yeah, it's got a nice sweet smokiness to it. That's some really good jerky. So let's check out the fruit cocktail. And the ingredients are water, peaches, pears, sugar, pineapples, grapes, cherries, citric acid, ascorbic acid, and we'll start with the dessert because we're cool like that. All right, there we have it by Baxter's. And there it is, nice and fresh. And it looks like we get one single cherry. We'll grab that cherry since it's the only one. All right, we have the cherry and let's give it a try. Yeah, that is just your typical fruit cocktail. It's nice and sweet and syrupy. And it looks like the lasagna is ready. It's nice and hot. All right, let's check out the lasagna. It should be piping hot. And there you have it. Let's get it on our tray. Oh yeah, check that out. Let's get all that meat sauce. Yeah, that is one beautiful piece of lasagna. That looks really tasty. Let's get a nice bite. Some of that sauce. Oh yeah, check that out. All right, my mouth is watering, so let's give it a try. Wow. Yeah, have to get another bite. Wow, that is really good. Yeah, the pasta is nice and firm. It's not mushy. Wash it down. Yeah, that is some really good lasagna. The pasta's actually got really nice texture. It's not mushy, it's not too firm, it's not too soft, it's al dente. I really can't get over the fact that it actually looks like lasagna. I was expecting something a little bit different, maybe something like, you know, Chef Boyardee, but this actually looks very authentic. I have to give it props for that. You can definitely taste, you know, the tomato sauce and the meat. The beef and the sauce is really good. Nice herb flavor, nice Italian seasoning. The texture of the beef is spot on. It's, you know, not too mushy. This is by far the best Italian-inspired main entree I've had in a ration. All right, let's spice it up a bit. We'll add some of this Frank's Red Hot. Just a a little bit. And we'll try it with our hamburger bun. Yeah, check that out. That looks really good. All right, here we go. Yeah, that is excellent. A little bit of garlic seasoning would have put this way over the top. Yeah, just as it is with the hot sauce and the bread. Yeah, that is just amazing. Let's check out the Kit Kat. Oh yeah. Check that out. Yeah, looks excellent. Let's break off a piece. All right, let's try it. Yeah, it's a Kit Kat, nice and crunchy on the inside and nice and chocolatey on the outside. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, let's try the Tic Tacs. There you have it, just your typical Tic Tac. All right. Yeah, it's nice and minty and fresh, just like a Tic Tac. So let's check out the compressed napkin, see what it's all about. And it's got the Canadian maple leaf stamped right on it. All right, so we just add water and watch it do its thing. Yeah, that is really neat. Check that out. And it is a decent sized towel. You can clean your hands, clean your utensils, your cups. Yeah, it's really neat. All right, guys, that was it. That was the Canadian IMP from 2017 lasagna. And I must say that this is by far my favorite Canadian ration ever. Everything was just really great, really good. The lasagna was excellent. The snacks were excellent. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a solid 9 out of 10. I really don't have any complaints. If I could nitpick at anything, it would have to be the lack of cherries. They could have added at least a couple of more, but you know, it is what it is. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Steve over at Traversing Food. He's got a great YouTube channel with a ton of ration videos, so go check him out. He has reviewed just about everything. He's done rations that I haven't even tried, so go check him out. And if you're looking for international rations or Canadian IMPs, go ahead and check out foreignmre.com. They should have what you're looking for, so go check them out. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.